welcome to my YouTube channel. So this project is an object avoidance gloves for the blind based on ultrasonic sensor. Okay, with a single Arduino Nano as a microcontroller with a combined single ultrasonic sensor, which is used to detect the distance from the obstacle, and a speaker module for alarm and notification, combined with a vibrator based on the palm of the hand. So let's get started. Survey done. The number of patients with low vision is 3 times the number of blinds. So that means that there are over 140 million people from the World Health Organization, of which 75 of the people can't restore or improve their eyesight without a surgery. So, due to the physical defects, the blind have many inconveniences in life and work. So, among which is to work safely, which is the biggest problem. Working from home to job, navigating through their homes and their compounds, with that ultrasonic sensor, which has so uh, the first chip is a transmitter, and the other one is a receiving receiver. So it's fitted with Arduino as a microcontroller, Pro Mini. It's a Pro Mini, a lithium battery, a buzzer, a switch, on and off switch. So I'll be demonstrating its working, the principle behind its working. So it uses an ultrasonic sensor placed just above the fingers for easy detection and for fast detection. So I'll demonstrate the obstacle using a simple sticky note for my purpose. Make sure the tape doesn't fall. So whenever the paper comes close to the ultrasonic sensor, it will send a signal activating both a vibrator placed under the arm and a buzzer for notification, or for the blind to detect the obstacle ahead of him. So actually the gadget is useful when the blind encounters obstacle ahead of him or close to his legs. By navigating his hands, he can observe any obstacle either straight forward him or slightly below his legs. So when I move the paper close, it will trigger a buzzer. It will trigger a buzzing sound and a vibration, though you can't hear it, though it has a vibrator. So the vibrator will be triggered. Let me demonstrate it again. So activate it. So when there is no obstacle, nothing will happen. That means that the road is clear, the path is clear. So the sensor is very comfortable, very portable. You can just remove it whenever you want. It will not distract your workflow. You'll be working with your hands. Basically, you'll be working with your right hand, so you can write, you can do all sort of things using your right hand, but your left hand will have the gadget. So it's very inconvenient, and it doesn't consume much of your energy. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, remember to subscribe, share to your friends, fellow engineers, biomedical students. It's quite a nice project, simple, cheap. Yeah, if you like it, subscribe down to there's a uh, there's a subscribe button placed on your just below the video. Just subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that you may be notified for when I upload another video. Thanks for watching. Keep tuned, be creative.